Welcome to the WhatsHubAI dashboard. And today I'll be walking you through the core features of our platform to help you automate and optimize your WhatsApp marketing. When you first log in, you're greeted by the analytics overview. This gives you a high level look at your performance over the last 30 days. You can track your total messages sent, how many were successfully delivered, and identify any failed messages so you can troubleshoot issues quickly. Notice the response rate. This is key for understanding how well your audience is engaging. Below that, we have the WABA message usage section. This tracks your consumption over the last 7 days, 30 days, and your lifetime total. Keeping an eye on these cap percentages ensures you never hit unexpected limits during a big campaign. Now let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in WhatsHub AI, templates. On the left hand sidebar, click on templates. This is where you build the messages you'll use for broadcasts and automated replies. To start a new one, click on template create. First, give your template a name, something descriptive like max underscore my underscore sales. Choose your language. We support English, Hindi, Telugu, and more, and select a category. Marketing is usually the best choice for promotional offers, while utility is great for order updates. You can also choose a header. You have the option for text, or you can make your message pop by adding an image, video, or document. If you select image, just upload your file here. The body is where the magic happens. You can personalize your messages by using variables. By clicking Insert Variable, you'll see placeholders like open brace 1, close brace. This allows you to automatically pull in a customer's name or a specific order number, making the message feel personal and professional. In this example, we're typing Dear Imen1. Here we do boost your business and build your strong customer relationship. Notice the live preview on the right side of the screen. It updates in real time to show you exactly how the message will look on a customer's phone. To increase engagement, we always recommend adding buttons. You have three main options. 1. Quick reply, great for simple yes/no or thank you responses. 2. URL. This takes customers directly to your website. You can even include a variable in the URL to track specific user clicks. 3. Call. This adds a click to call button, making it incredibly easy for customers to reach your sales team. Once you've filled in your footer and buttons, click Create Template. You'll see a success notification once it's processed. Finally, let's look at template status. After you create a template, it undergoes a quick review process by WhatsApp. In this tab, you can see all your templates at a glance. You'll see status tags like pending while it's being reviewed or approved. Once it's ready to send, if a template is approved, you can click Send Test to see how it looks on your own device or hit Preview to double check the formatting. You can also filter your templates by category or status to stay organized as your library grows. And that's it. You're now ready to start building high converting WhatsApp campaigns with WhatsHub AI. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Happy messaging.